Hey guys, Jacob here from the Horgankids TV, and today I'll be showing you how to make this snazzy looking house for a snazzy looking boy. Now I will be doing this build separated up into pieces. First being the house. So first, before that, you need these pieces. A 2x4 slanted piece, three 1x2 red little flat pieces, a 2x4 white slab, two 1x2 white bricks, or you could use a 1x4 white brick and a 1x4 arch. First, for the house, you want to get your slanted piece and two of your 1x2 red bricks and stick them together, like so. Then you stick that on the far side to the right of your slanted bit here. Then you put your other red brick in the middle, so you get this sort of curvy little triangle. I saw something. Wait, no, I'm bad at math. Okay, then you want to get this and two of your 1x2 white bricks or 1x4 white brick and stick them to the back like that. Then you want to get your 1x4 and stick that in front, just like that. And then using the magic press, stick these two together. Kapowie ka-chow. Now, for the little garden at the front. So, for this, the little front, you need two green studs, a 4x4 green little base plate, two silver studs, a blue stud and a red stud, and a 1x2 green brick. Now, before we stick those together, you want to put your house to the back of the base plate, like this. Now we put the two green studs on top of the 1x2 base plate to create a bush, which can go to the left of your house, or anywhere you want. Then you put a red stud on top of a green stud and put it right here to the right of your house, or anywhere you want. Then you get two silver studs and put them in the front, diagonal to each other, like stepping stones. And you get your snazzy looking house for your snazzy looking boy. And also, please subscribe as always, like, comment if you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. That's all.